Budget impact, why one think tank says high-income earners will benefit more from the new tax package. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, criminal invasion. Armed men storm high school in Spanish Town and stab student.
Nabbed, correctional officers charged in connection with cell phone seizures.
Rejected. Government says it's moving ahead with Tourism Enhancement Fund transfer to Consolidated Fund.
Family divided, controversy mounts over the burial of late reggae singer Eddie Fitzroy.
And in the business day, unemployment line. Scotiabank to cut jobs in Jamaica.
There's also a ray of hope. Sports, commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What more can the authorities do to curtail smuggling and other illegal activities in prison?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.